Hey everyone, I wanted to give you all a quick walkthrough of what it takes to get data available in GrowthLoop that's been made available within BigQuery, and how we can essentially reflect the live state of your data in BigQuery in GrowthLoop at all times here. So take the example here where I have some customer data inside of BigQuery on my customers table. And I've got lots of great data on my customer, but one thing that's missing here is maybe a churn propensity score. So let's say that our data science team has actually developed a churn propensity model, and they're rather ready to append those inferences to our customer table so that we can use them for our campaigns and segmentation purposes. So I'll go ahead and do that now. I'll go ahead and create a new churn propensity score on our customers table here that is available within GrowthLoop. And let's say that this score here is indexed from 0 to 100. So let me just go ahead and run that query here. Great. All right. So if I head back to my customers table here and I click refresh, we'll see here that we now have a churn propensity score available on the customers table. And so if I go into Growth Loop here, what I can do here is I can say, hey, I want to filter on this churn propensity score. So I'll add a new filter here and I'll go ahead and click refresh so that we make sure that field is now available for segmentation within Growth Loop. So now we have this field refreshed. Now I can actually search for churn propensity score here. Great. And let's set that greater than 75. Let's say we want to target folks who are potentially likely to churn. Great. I've got my audience now. So now this is my churn prevention campaign here, or the starts of it. This audience is now ready for activation through all of your different marketing tools. So this is the quick demo of how quick and easy it is to get data changes that have been made within BigQuery reflected within GrowthLoop and can be done here in a matter of seconds. Thanks.